So we're here in the plane, we're about to get taking off, and before we get taking off, I was just taking off my shoes to relax a little bit, and I noticed something that was a bit interesting. I don't understand. What's the cover for if it's just sitting over top of it? What is that?
Done.
¿Sí?
Yep.
A ver, señor.
Gracias.
Peter's already dead.
It's not hot. Just make sure you wear black.
I hear if you dress in thick black clothing.
It's okay, it's
Nice.
whip drive.
Nice big long black pants.
Whip drive.
City cup right up.
But still, clearly you know where we are then, right? If they sell 100?
Yeah. Wow.
Gringo, is that?
That's Gringo screen.
The bug spray too or no? I mean, we might as well, man. The last thing we need to do is not have enough.
All right, boys. We all stocked up now?
Oh yeah, in the botica.
Oh, watch out for the hole.
Watch out.
Oh boy. Holy Moses.